In this video, I'll do a quick review of my first model 1916 Newton rifle. This gun is in 30 Newton, basically a Magnum from like 1912. So, serial number is located in several places. There's mine, 2221. Another place to locate the serial number is actually how you take the gun apart. So I had to pause the video so I could remove the hatch here, or to press this button. It's too hard with one hand. So to take the gun out of the stock, this hinge is actually a bolt. So let's see if I can do this without dropping my gun on the floor. So, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So once that comes unloosed, you saw the receiver actually loosened up, and then the gun comes apart. So again, without dropping her on the floor, slide that over. Okay, another place to find the serial number is right there, 2221. So yes, it's stamped on the receiver. It's just on the bottom. Come on, focus. So double set triggers, pretty cool. The back trigger, once you set the front trigger, or wait, set the back trigger, pull the front trigger, and it's like 8 ounces. The bolt is really cool. Beats Weatherby by like 40 years. Mine has the optional peep sight attachment, and you'll see that it has no rear sight on the barrel. The ones that had rear sights would have been mounted basically right over the name, and then held by a screw from the bottom. So mine has a vintage 2.5 power, or 2 3/4 power, Lyman 330. This is not the C model, this is the S model. No clicks. Loosen these guys up, and then you can adjust for windage and elevation. The stock will also have the serial number. There it is again, 2221. There will be one other location for it if you have the steel butt plate. The butt plate will actually have the serial number stamped on the underside. Same with the grip cap. The grip cap will have the serial number on the bottom side. So the bottom metal won't come out until you take that screw out, which I'm not going to do in this video. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my vintage model 1916, first model 1916 Newton rifle in 30 Newton.